Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP. I'm covering XRP every other day right now, so basically every 2 days, if you don't know what that means. So yeah, wanted to cover it again today as well. There's enough to talk about, I would say. I mean, in general, we hit the main support level we've been talking about in the last video. Got a decent bounce from that as well. So if you took that buy, even though I did not take it, I mean, I'll tell you when I take a trade. Or at least I'll tell you when I have a limit order, or at least I try to tell you in my videos. But the level we talked about, was this level for XRP between 55 at the 200 EMA, which served as an amazing support level, and 57, which also just housed a little bit of support, especially a little bit earlier. So hit that. And then what also sparked my interest and what I wanted to talk about a little bit regarding XRP is I don't necessarily think XRP is bullish here. It's also not bearish, and that might sound weird, but I think we're just neutral, especially if you look at the 12-hour time frame, if you look at the 4-hour time frame. We have a very solid support at 55 cents, as you can also see historically right here. And I don't really see any reason why that would break. But then we also have a strong resistance, which we also tested over the course of the weekend at 61.5 cents, which if we break above that, then we can turn bullish. That would be great, but at this point of time, we have those two very strong key levels around us. And I don't see any reason at this point of time why either one would break. All right, so that's why I'm neutral. Those are my thoughts on XRP. But what I did think is was interesting is that over the course of yesterday, we did see, and here you can kind of see the relative strength of all the coins. So this is since the 26th of August, and you can see that XRP is actually second. Like XRP has been holding up relatively well in the market, regardless of what Bitcoin is doing. And Bitcoin overnight was relatively bearish. XRP, of course, it's correlated, so of course it dropped down lower as well. But it has been able to hold its level relatively well, which I, at this point of time, see as something bullish. All right, now if we look at XRP against Bitcoin, you can also see some bullish momentum. This is also not bullish yet. So even though I'm relatively bullish on XRP, that bullish sentiment of mine comes mostly from the fact that it's able to hold its own relatively well when the market is bearish. I'm not too sure about how well it's going to perform when the market is bullish. That's something we'll have to see for when the market is actually bullish. So yeah, for now, what I expect from XRP is that we will be able to hold the support. If Bitcoin turns bearish here, if Bitcoin falls down a little bit lower, which is always a possibility, of course, XRP could still test that 54.5 cents level here down at the bottom. That's a possibility. I mean, in the end, on the 4-hour time frame, we did break down below the 200 EMA, so that's possible. But I don't see any reason why support would not hold up. So I do think ultimately, as Bitcoin is also at the bottom of its range, I do think we'll be able to get back up to 60 and 61 cents here. And then from there, we'll judge again whether we can break out above that or not. For now, my verdict is no. If you look at the momentum here for XRP, what you can see is that we had some short positions closed earlier this hour, probably 2 hours ago when you're watching this video. That's great. That's good. That's a good sign, but it's not a sign that we will rally. Shorts closing could be the start of some bullish momentum coming in, but it is not the same as bullish momentum coming in. So those are my thoughts. Something like this is what I would expect. But like I said, I mean, ultimately what we want to see is something like this as well. And that I don't expect. I think it's much more likely that we'll do something like this for now. All right. I'll keep you updated on that. Hopefully it was valuable for you. Those are my thoughts on XRP for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.